Hello everyone, and today we have a video review of a diagnostic device for cars from the company MUCAR, or rather the model is called MUCAR 892BT. All this stuff comes in a box like this, where on the front side we see the device itself, on the left side there are brief characteristics about this device, and on the back side there are the main functions. Okay, let's start unpacking. We open the box and here we are greeted by a case in which the diagnostic device is located. The case is made well, there is an inscription MUCAR. There is a handle for carrying, which is very convenient. Let's open the case and see what we have inside. And inside we are immediately greeted by MUCAR 892BT OBD2. Let's put it aside for now and see what else is included in the kit. And then the package includes user manual, 3-in-1 charger, Type-C charging cable, RJ45 network cable, F chassis, USB 2.0, 10100M network cable, and Bluetooth adapter. Now let's talk in more detail about the MUCAR 892BT. This scanner is designed for auto repair shops and professionals involved in vehicle diagnostics. Thanks to its extensive capabilities, it allows you to detect faults, perform adaptations and coding, as well as perform more than 34 special functions, such as resetting oil change intervals, automatic transmission adaptation, immobilizer service, and much more. As you can see, this scanner has an 8-inch touchscreen with a high resolution of 1280 by 800. Which allows for smooth and easy navigation, ensuring comfortable operation. In addition, it has impact-resistant side pads with the inscription MUCAR. These pads protrude slightly beyond the screen, protecting it from damage when dropped. On the back of the device there is a folding handle with which the device can be placed on a surface without holding it in your hands, or for example, it will be convenient to carry it by this handle. There is also a magnetic Bluetooth adapter on the back, and it is very good that MUCAR made such a solution in the form of a magnetic mount to the back of the device, so there is less chance of losing it. On the top of the device we have a USB-C port, a USB-A port, and a blue on-off button. Key features of MUCAR 892BT: unmatched processing speed. Powered by a 4-core Cortex A53 chip, this scanner is 5 times faster than the competition. Wireless connectivity. The 892BT connects via Bluetooth 5.0, providing fast and stable connectivity at 3 megabits per second. Comprehensive vehicle coverage, supports 99.99% of vehicle models worldwide, including CAN FD and DOIP protocols for new models, such as GM 2020 Plus, and Volvo, Jaguar, and BMW FG chassis. ECU coding, and 34 plus service resets. Perform ECU mapping, component adaptations, and access hidden features, such as auto start, stop, TPMS activation, and headlight adjustment. Bidirectional control. Send commands directly to vehicle components to test actuators like fuel injectors, cooling fans, door locks, and more. Full OE-level system diagnostics, read and clear trouble codes for the ECM, TCM, ABS, SRS, BCM, TPMS, and dozens of other systems. Lifetime free updates. No annual subscription fees. Enjoy software updates and feature enhancements for free. FCA AutoAuth support. Works with 2018 plus Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Fiat, and Alfa Romeo vehicles that use Security Gateway SGW modules. The MUCAR 892BT offers advanced ECU coding capabilities that many OBD2 scanners do not have, including match settings after replacement. After replacing the ECU module, you need to match, learn, code, or even program the replacement before it functions normally. Otherwise, the car cannot start, or some parts cannot work normally. Open-close car functions, personalization, flash hidden functions. With this car scanner diagnostic for all cars, you can access and modify certain hidden or advanced settings in a vehicle to make your general model a deluxe car. Using scenario, model, Ford Focus. Operation, you can modify some of original car features, such as how long the interior light stays on after you close the door, or whether the horn honks when you use your remote locks. More applications, revised fuel consumption calculation, seatbelt alarm, automatic start-stop, hidden menu, daytime running lights, cruise control, automatic locking and unlocking of the central lock, comfortable windscreen washer, welcome light and others. Restore functions. If data loss, by restoring the current car settings back to the default status, to fix complex ECU controlled issues including low fuel efficiency, mysterious power loss, unknown fault in mechanical parts, etc. Modifications, changeover, make personalized modifications to your car's performance, appearance, or both. It offers a wide range of popular modification options, including converting halogen to xenon headlights, altering tire size, automating manual electric control systems, upgrading steering gear, and more. Aftermarket installation, add new auto parts into an older vehicle to outfit it with some modern luxuries, For example, help add retrofit TPMS kits to older or non-TPMS equipped vehicles. Programmable module installation, PMI, mainly for 4D models. Make adaptive procedures for new ECU modules after replacement to ensure their normal functionalities. With active tests and functional testing, the ThinkScan 689BT allows users to manually trigger components like fuel injectors, ABS modules, and cooling fans. Perform driving tests, calibration resets, and component activations. Quickly diagnose electrical problems without disassembling vehicle parts. Advanced service reset features, 34+. This scanner covers over 34 major service functions, including ABS bleeding, battery registration, DPF regeneration, transmission relearn, injector coding, throttle relearn, SAS reset, oil and brake reset, and much more. Lifetime free updates. Get the latest software updates for a lifetime, including new functions, optimized procedures, bug fixes, and expanded vehicle coverage, all without costly renewals. ThinkCar's technical team continuously improves the software, ensuring users have access to the latest advancements. Extensive vehicle coverage. The MUCAR 892BT works on 99% of major car brands worldwide, even supporting 2018 plus FCAS GW-equipped vehicles, FIAT Chrysler, Dodge Jeep Alfa Romeo. With built-in auto-auth services, users get full access to advanced functions like active tests, actuation, relearns, and more, just as on non-SGW vehicles. Support for next-gen protocols. This scanner is compatible with emerging automotive protocols, ensuring future-proof diagnostics. KNFD supports 2020-plus General Motors and Chrysler models. DOIP works with modern Volvo, Land Rover, Jaguar, BMW FG chassis vehicles. For a complete list of compatible cars, feel free to contact ThinkCar support. Accessory compatibility. The MUCAR 892BT can also integrate with ThinkTPMS-VENUIPRO or ThinkTPMS-G2 for tire pressure monitoring, endoscope for internal vehicle inspections, oscilloscope for advanced electrical diagnostics, printer for generating diagnostic reports, and Bluetooth battery clip for real-time battery analysis. With these features, the ThinkScan 689BT remains one of the most versatile and powerful diagnostic tools on the market. To see how well the MUCAR 892BT works, I tested it on a few vehicles. Here's what I found. Toyota. The scan tool stores quickly via Bluetooth and transfers detailed data in no time. One downside is that it doesn't display vehicle voltage, which may be important for some users to diagnose. Dodge. Misfires work well using Diagnostic Mode 6, but manufacturer-specific tests were limited compared to some more expensive tools. Is it worth it? Overall, the MUCAR 892BT is a great scan tool for those who want portability, high performance, and professional features at a reasonable price. While it lacks voltage monitoring and a few advanced dealer-grade features, its use of Bluetooth and lifetime updates make it a standout. If you're looking for a reliable wireless diagnostic tool without the hassle of a paywall, the MUCAR 892BT is a smart choice. And that's all from me. You can buy it using the link in the description. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye everyone. Ciao.